So, guys, you are welcome again to episode one of the trading. Episode one of the trading of the free 6K account. So, this is the episode one. So, we are on the chart right now. I'm on the chart right now. So, I want to analyze the chart with you. So, this is the raw chart. This is the raw market. You see, I've already started my analysis. So, you see, I told you that we will be using the trend line because that's what is in my playbook. It's the trend line which is in my playbook that I'm going to use. So this is what I'm seeing, and we are trading Euro USD. So I want to talk about the pairs which we will be trading. So I selected I selected three break-even pairs, which is the USD JPY. I selected the two of them, so USD and JPY. So I selected USD JPY. Then I'll pair these two with euro. I'll pair the JPY with euro, and I'll pair the USD also with euro. So that's how I'm doing it. So you can see, guys. So let's go into the analysis together. So you can see all of this support you can see here, they are just having a double touch for now. So this is how I trade my trend line. This is how I trade my trend line. This is how I draw my trend line. So I'm on the 4 hour right now. So you can see double touch. So you can see, let me zoom in. So the one touch, the second touch here. So let's write something out. Let's write something out real quick. Okay, let's make here our point one. So point one, that means our first touch. So we are going to lock it. I'll lock it. So see, let's write something out here also. Here now will be our point two. Point two. Done. So let's lock it. So I have my point one, I have my point two. You can see there is no point three yet. I'm aspiring, I'm waiting, I'm thinking. So I know there's going to be point three somewhere, which I don't know, but it's going to tap on this line somewhere. It's going to tap on this line someday when there's a reversal from this uptrend, because we are in an uptrend right now. You can see we are making higher highs. So you can see we are making higher highs and lower highs. So we are in an uptrend right now. So we are not looking for anything like a sell right now, or we are not looking for a sell right now. We are looking for opportunity for more buys. Then once we want to get a reversal, we are not the one to determine the market, because we are not moving the market. We are going to be waiting for when the reversal happen. But before the reversal happen, we can still get something out of this market, because Euro USD have been on a very, very, very bullish move since some days back now. Since this month, Euro USD have been trading upward. So another confirmation which I have seen here is this trading volume, which you can see below. You can see this trading volume, this right one, this particular one. So imagine this single candle showing me this long, very long volume. It's telling me that this candle is telling me, this volume is telling me that there is a big player. The big players are still buying. There's a big buy here. There's a very big buy here. So there's still money on this market. The bulls are still on this market. So if I try to sell now, they are going to take me out of the market. They are going to take my money. The bulls are going to take my money, because we cannot move the market. They move the market. So we should follow them, and we should trade with them. We should trade what this chart is telling us. So this chart is telling us that the bulls are still in the market. The bears are not yet in the market. So all this red you just see, all these candles red you just see is correction. It's correction. The market is making in form of a correction. The early buyers, they are selling out, but the big buyers, they are not selling out their coins. They are not selling out their securities. They are not selling out their currencies. They are still holding up. They have a particular place they want it to go and hit right now. So that's what they are waiting for. So we also will have to hold with them. We have to hold with them a little. We have to take the little profits we have. So let's go back to the trend line. We have point 1, point 2. So this point 1, point 2, if you watch very well, anywhere as it ends in point 2, I will take another trend line from the point 2. You will see that I'll have another point 2. I'll still take another trend line from the point 2. So all of it, if you can see, they are just point 2. There is no point 3 yet, because the first one we don't have the point 3. So they are is in form of a repetition of pattern. So once we have point 3 from the top right now, you can see that even the top is still having point 2. There is no point 3 yet. So immediately we'll have point 3 from the top. Then we are anticipating that we are actually going to have point 3 at the down soon. But for now, we are just having point 2, point 2, point 2. So let's keep adding the points 2 and let's keep trading it. So whenever I hit the point 2, we'll buy. Whenever I hit the point 2, we'll buy. So on the third touch of this point 3 is going to break out. It's going to break out. It's going to break. The market is going to come back down. But since we don't have that for now, we are still going on a buy. So we are going on a buy. So this is a 4-hour time frame. We are still going to go down. So in our playbook, we say trend line, then top down. That is, we will see the higher time frame. We will see from the higher time frame perspective and our psychological level, then channel breakout. So now we are on trend line. We are using trend line right now. We are using trend line, support and resistance trend line. So we are using our support and resistance. So we are using the trend line. The trend line is telling us that we are in an uptrend, which is also serving as the support and the resistance. So let's go more. Let's go deep. So you can see the support. We are having the second support in all. If I go more, you see here, time won't permit me. I would have labeled it all. Point 1, point 2, point 1, point 2, point 1, point 2, all of it. From this 4-hour, when I still go down to the 1-hour, you still see point 1, point 2. So let's go again. Let's go to the 1-hour. To the 1-hour, let's go. What you see, point 1, point 2. So I'll still write this one. Let me write this one real quick. On every point 2, we will have another point. Another point to start from there. On every point 2, we'll have another point from there. And every point 2, we'll have another inception from there. Every point 2 have another inception from there. So I will be analyzing everything with you. I will be showing you everything. We are here together. We are in this together right now. I don't think this is the one I want. I don't think this is the one I want. There's the one I already have. So I will explain to you why I have much of this Euro USD opened. So I'll explain to you. So why I have it open more is that I want to know, I want to have different views. I want to have different analysis on different brokers. So that is why I have it. Oanda, I have what I have drawn on Oanda. If it's Fishers, the Fishers brokers, I have what I have drawn there. So that's how I have it all. So here, not this one. I want that particular one that I'm on. Okay, I guess this should be it. It should be the one. So let's go again. So from this inception, you can see it's all 0.1, 0.2. We don't have 3 yet, we are still waiting. So we'll still go more. Let me delete this. So we still go more. You see from here, still have 0.1 here. When you go, you still see 0.2. So you can see the early buyers, they are selling off now, so giving us opportunity for another buy. They are giving us opportunity for another buy, the early buyers. So the early buyers, they are selling off. They are taking out their profit from the market right now, so they are giving us more opportunity. They are giving us more opportunity for buy. Okay, so and I want to show you again this, why I drew this line at the top. This line which you can see, why I drew it at the top, this resistance line. So from here I started drawing it from here, this second one, because I told you that every third touch from the support and resistance, which is in my playbook, I said every third touch is always a breakout. There's always a breakout on every third touch. So you can see, let me make something very clear to you here. I want to text. I want to add the text here. Point. So make here 0.1. Done. Let's make here 0.1. Let me lock it. Clone. To make it faster, make here 0.2. Okay, sorry, I have to unlock it before I can move it. That is why I'm locking it, so that it won't move, so you see what we are seeing. Okay, so you can see right now the 0.1, the 0.2. You can see a breakout on the 0.3 here. This 0.3, you can see there is a breakout here, a breakout, retest, then continuation to the upside. So you can see that's the third point. Let me write it. So we'll get what I'm saying clear. Okay, on this one. Unlock here, but it has to break out, because that's the third touch. That's our rule. For every third touch, there will be a breakout. That's the resistance line. So also the support line, when it starts breaking from the top, start touching the third support zone and it's breaking down, so we'll be selling from that top. We'll just be selling. Anything we will do, we'll be selling. But now it's just giving us double touch on the support, so we can't sell. Now we'll be buying. So what's okay, so I want to edit this one. So this one will no longer be, this one will be 0.3, which serve as the breakout, you can see. So after seeing this, I have to move. So I'm moving. This is the breakout, so it's already, if you check the playbook, what it says is that after the breakout, the structure, like the trend line is no longer valid, like it's no longer valued. Yeah, let me say that it's no longer valid. It's no longer working. It has been broken, so we'll have to go and get another new 0.2. So here will no longer be our 0.2. Unlock. Here now will be our 0.2. Yes, here now will be our 0.2. Lock it. Here will no longer be our 0.3. we are anticipating for the point 3 now. Sorry. So anticipating for the point 3 here, you can see. So point 3, and you always know the point 3 is the breakout point lock. So what do you think? We have the point 1 here from the inception. We have the point 2 here, right here. This thing is not coming close. Okay, you can still see that's the point 2 which we are saying. So, and we have the point 3 here. So what do you think? So due to this analysis which you have seen from the down here, we haven't gotten any reversal. There is no reversal signal yet. So what we'll be doing, I'll be going to the lower time frame right now. So yes, so those people, my psychology behind this market right now is these people that you see that bought from here. Let me show you something here. So highlight that these people selling from here, these people that bought here, they are the ones selling here right now, giving us a new entry opportunity. So they are selling out their contracts. So we are like the early buyers also will be entering from here right now, from where they are selling. Who will be buying? We will be buying right now, because them, they are going out of the market. They are going out of the market. They are running out of the market. So that's why we are seeing this kind of giving us opportunity to buy, so that we also will be part of the early buyers. So we early buyers also will fix our point where we will take our profit. So let's go. So I want to go on the 15 minutes time frame. Then that's what I'll show you there. I'm not going on the 3 minutes. I'm going on the 15 minutes. Yeah. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame right now, I'm looking for my entry right now. So after seeing all this, to the next psychological level, let's see, to the next psychological level. So going to the psychological level right now, I might go to another pair to check on that, but it might not be really necessary for now. I'm waiting for I'm waiting for a break of this structure. You can see it's even making a higher high. If you can see clearly, it's making a higher high. This minutes you can see here, it's making a higher high. So I'm waiting for the break of this structure. So after the break of this structure here, let me show it to you. I'll still wait for the break to give me more confirmation of what I'm seeing. So the break of this structure here, the break of this trend line, which you see a candle closing above this trend line, this particular one which you see. So I'm waiting once the candle closes, because if the candle closes above it right now, it will give me a confirmation that okay, I should buy, I should enter the market. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the video so that the video won't be long, so that the video won't be too long. So I'll cut the video right now. Then later in the day, once it crosses, I'll set an alarm. Once it crosses, I'll show you long. I'll go long. So once it crosses to this side, I'll go long. So we are risking 0.5 per trade. So 0.5. We are risking 0.5 per trade. Okay, so this is 0.5, and if we are risking 0.5, we have to get, let's get 1%. Let's get 1% of, let's just get 1% and see. So let's get 1 point, no, let's get 2%. That's 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That's the setup. Yeah, that's the setup right now. So guys, this is the analysis which I've shown to you right now. So I'll be showing you more. After now. I'll show you how the trade goes. I'll show you. You can see we are still waiting for the breakout. I haven't entered the trade. If I enter, I'm going to do the video of my entry also, so you can see it's still doing some consolidation and they are still selling out. They are still taking people that are here right now. This it's not moving, so I don't want to enter this shopping market right now. I'm waiting for a breakout of the trend line, then I'll see that yes, this is a clear signal that okay, we are still moving. So that's what I'm waiting for right now, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop the video about this episode of our journey, you will know. So guys, thank you for staying by.